Good day, everyone. Today I want to tell you about the annual inventories and what we have to take into account. Steps to follow. We are going to make our annual inventory on May 20. The assistant going to organize the warehouse and label the products. The coordinator going to prepare the documents required for the internal audits. We are going to ship products maximum 10 hours before the inventories. The team going to arrive to the factory at 7 o'clock in the morning. I, your boss, going to monitor the counts and I will send the final report to the president. Must take into account. There are many products to the counts. There is a medicine with red label, this expired. There are products of office supplies that are in the inventory should be counted. There aren't medical equipment in the warehouse. There aren't any physical products in the cellar to just not have entry in the system stock. Thanks and successful.